Today in the Daily Dose, the White House. Shortly after George Washington's 1789 inauguration as the nation's first sitting president, an architectural competition was held for a planned President's House, which was won by Irish-born architect James Hoban, who modeled his renderings after a Dublin mansion known as Leinster House. Built at a cost of $232,000, on November 1, 1800, John and Abigail Adams became the first occupants of the yet completed President's House, which would later be renamed the White House by President Theodore Roosevelt. Burned to the ground by the British some 2 years following the start of the War of 1812, after the White House was rebuilt in 1817, many sitting presidents have left their architectural and interior design footprints on the property, including Calvin Coolidge's editions of the North and South Porticos, Millard Fillmore's edition of a library, and William Taft's Oval Office. After a fire destroyed much of the executive wing during Herbert Hoover's watch, reconstruction and expansion of the West Wing would continue well into FDR's administration. A final major overhaul was undertaken during Harry and Bess Truman's occupation, who redesigned most of the staterooms on the second and third floors. Today, the White House is made up of 132 rooms on 6 levels, totaling an approximate 55,000 square feet. Over the years, the White House has added long-standing traditions, such as the Easter egg roll and the official presidential pardoning of a turkey at Thanksgiving, at the same time hosting banquets for foreign world leaders, including such historic events as the 1987 nuclear arms treaty with Russia, making the White House a highly recognized symbol of the American Republic. And there you have it, the White House. Today in the Daily Dose. Get your nerd on with the Daily Dose and learn something new every day. Subscribe to the Daily Dose on YouTube or sign up for emails at dailydosenow.com.